Okay, so mobility drills. We're going to tuck our chin, we're going to forward roll, and we're going to go into a break fall or yukime. Pick a side, we're going to stand in base, raise the leg extra high. All four. Transition to the base on the other side. Good. Then we're going to rear shoulder roll. Good. Breathe. Then we're going to bounce to our toes. Again, repeat. Forward shoulder roll.
Maintaining balance.
Roll up car windows if you need to. It's a little cold outside. Okay. Forward somersault. Break fall. Good. One side, stand in base. Protect the face. Okay, lift. Good. Now when you transition, have that right leg of yours come up real high, okay? There you go. Do you see how it changed the hip? Good. And then place down. Rear shoulder roll. Very good. One last time. Spring to feet. Tuck the chin. Exhale as you go. Good. Stand in base. When you do so, get that bottom leg real high. All right, so when you post up, bring that leg real high, boom. All fours, real high, and sit, and rear shoulder roll. Good, very good.